Once you've loaded the all-inclusive day trader package, you'll see the S&P 500 chart for the 5 minute. You can expand this chart and see the 5 minute, the 1 hour, and the SPY chart by clicking this top right menu here. And then next, you'll click on Restore Cells down here at the bottom. And then once you do that, you'll see something that looks like this, the S&P 500 chart. It will actually contain the 5 minute chart here to the left, the 1 hour chart in the middle, and then the daily chart on the right. If you want to restore the S&P chart back to just a 5 minute chart, you click that top right menu marked, you click Maximize Cell at the bottom of the menu options. And once you do that, your screen will restore to just a 5 minute chart. In addition to that, if you want to view the 5 minute chart and then scroll through to the hourly chart and the daily chart, you can use the arrows at the top right of your screen. These will scroll through the 3 different charts, the 5 minute, the 1 hour, and the daily chart.